Okay, let's do something.
Okay.
Tell me.
Okay, teacher. For example, and the second part of the videos, and he talked about some natural, there are many words. If you want to agree or disagree with your partner, but not necessarily talked about I agree with you or disagree with you. There are many sentences if you want to agree or disagree with your partner. For example, these are little noises. Did you hear me?
Yes, I am. I'm listening to you.
For example, Dr.
You are Mr. Wilson.
Okay.
Okay, Bernardo, can you please begin?
Margaret?
Yeah, you're Margaret.
Okay, I'm Margaret.
Ready? Okay, Bernardo, can you please read Margaret's part?
No, teacher, I don't.
You're not sharing the screen, Joanna.
Yes, I am.
No, teacher.
Let me go back to the conversation. I'm sorry, guys, you were right. Hello, Andre, you came back.
Oh, Fernanda.
Ay, Fernanda. Porque es Andrea, I don't understand why. Okay. So now can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
teacher.
Okay.
Okay.
Bernardo?
Okay, teacher. See? I start with Margaret.
Yes, please.
Okay. Mr. Wilson, I'd like you to meet Dr. Edward Smith.
Hi, nice to meet you, Dr. Smith.
My pleasure to meet you, too.
Dr. Smith is an economist. He just finished writing a book on the international trade.
Oh,
That's my field.
I know, let's see.
Kind of low.
Oh, yeah.
My tutor, yeah, okay. Oh, that's my field, too. I work for United Nations.
And the development of program by any chance?
Yes. How did you guess?
I've read your articles on technical assistance. They are excellent.
Okay, chicos, thank you very much. So, Ever, can you please read Mr. Wilson's part again?
Nice.
It is nice.
Very nice. Nice to meet you, Mr. Smith, Dr. Smith.
Okay, Ever, remember the first.
Okay. I know. I can know. Okay. All right. Screen. Okay.
Okay, Ever, please.
Here's nice.
It's
you,
nice.
Smith.
Very good. It's nice to meet you, Dr. Smith.
Okay, my tutor.
Okay. Oh, that's my field too. I work for the United Nations.
Oh, that is my first too. I work for the United Nations, no?
For the United Nations.
Okay, United Nations.
Yes? How did you guess?
Yes. How did you guess?
Okay, Ever, much better this time, yes? Okay, now, my dear students, we are going to have the second part, the second exercise of this encounter. So people, in the second part, we are going to have these questions for you. I have some questions for you, students. But this internet is very slow. Give me please a second.
Yes, teacher. Yes, tutor.
House. And to other countries, we should keep in mind the culture is different. The food would be a terrible issue because the cuisine change from country to country. And getting married, I think is something very you can give up from that whenever you want. And finding a job, first you should consider is to close your social networking because now you have a public life.
Thank you, Arturo. So, what happened, Arturo? Why did you forget the idea in choosing a university? What happened?
I forgot one word and I don't know how to connect the rest of the conversation.
So, what could have been a solution for that?
Or what?
What could have been a solution for that specific situation?
I think finding synonyms.
Yes, people. Remember that fluency is important in these examinations. So try to find synonyms, or if you forget the idea, try to connect it with another one. Yes, but don't say like, I forgot, and you get stuck. Try to continue because that is going to give you a good punctuation. Clear, guys? Okay, Bernardo, your turn. Bernardo.